So you can go to jail if you do this particular mistake in the cryptocurrency market. So every day thousands of people are getting their bank account frozen, and many people are also getting jail sentence. So this is something serious. You should be understanding your bank account will be next, or it can be next if you do the same mistake. So every day, as you can see, a lot of news regarding this is appearing, and many people are struggling with this and they don't know what solution they have. This is especially if you are using cryptocurrency or earning from the cryptocurrency market. So guys, in this video I'll be telling you the solution and how exactly you can be safer and save your account, save your bank, and save yourself from all these troubles. So first and foremost, this is happening because of the P2P scam. So many of the users who want to withdraw their token, withdraw their crypto, they withdraw through the P2P because the prices are good. So this happens, and whenever they receive the bank account, whenever they receive their tokens to their bank account, their account get froze. So the simple reason is whatever money they are getting into their account comes from a fraudulent amount of money. So what happens is that the person who makes fraud distributes the amount of money, and step by step it receives you through another person. So there will be a chain of the fraudulent money being transferred, and when it receives your bank account, you will be also considered as involved in the same crime. And that's why the government or the officials blocks or freezes your account, and if the crime is very serious, you can also be sentenced to jail. So that's very important for you to understand. So one of the best way for you to escape all these scams and escape all these fraudulent things is using crypto cards. So you can withdraw your amount in crypto in the ATM. You can use it to tap everywhere, wherever you have your food, wherever you want to do the transaction, you can tap using the card and you can pay through your crypto. So how exactly this works, I'll be telling you in this particular video. You might have heard regarding Redot Pay also. So is it actually working? I'll be telling you because I have used it for 2 to 3 months from now. And also in this particular video, I'll be giving away this card for my subscribers for absolutely free. So if you want this card, stay with me till the end. I'll be telling you how exactly you can join this particular giveaway and you can get the card for absolutely free. So guys, as you can see, I'm having this particular card. This is a physical card from the Redot Pay. I'll be telling you how much it costs, and you can see the transaction. I'm doing it every day. So I'm in Dubai right now, and you can see the transaction, everything is happening, and for every day. So you can see the date at the top, and you can see the withdrawals and the transactions which I'm making every day for the food, for the taxi, for all the things. You can see it over here, and it works efficiently everywhere because this is partnered with the Visa, and wherever Visa card is accepted, this card is also accepted. There are two types of cards, physical and virtual. Virtual will only cost $10, and also if you are joining from my link, you'll be getting $5 of free bonus. I'll be telling you how exactly you can get that. Whereas the physical card will cost you $100. If you use the referral code, you can get it around $70 to $75 also. So you can utilize this for physical withdrawals in ATMs also. You can see the video right now. I'm withdrawing the cash from the ATM using this particular card. So how exactly you can start using it? Download the application through the link, the referral link, and you can qualify for the giveaway also, and you can get the $5 bonus from this. So once you download the application, join with the email address, and then you can complete your KYC. KYC is very important. Once you complete your KYC, it will be done in 24 hours. Once you do that, you have the option for you to deposit here. Once you click on the deposit, you will be having these many coins to deposit, and you can deposit from any of the exchanges you want. You have Ethereum, you have BTC, you have USDC, and you have USDT. So I'll be using most probably USDT here, and once I select USDT, the transaction will be there. You can also use your Binance Pay, credit card or debit card, PayPal. There are a lot of options. So I'll be using the on-chain transaction here, and after that you have to select the network. There is Solana. You can see the the minimum deposit, and you can also see the transaction fees. For example, if I choose Binance Smart Chain here, BEP20, just press on OK. You will be seeing the address. Copy this address, go to your exchange, send the USDT in the BEP network, you will be receiving your tokens over here. Once you receive your tokens here, you have the card option. So you can either buy a virtual card or physical card. So virtual card, once you get, you can add it to your Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, anywhere, and then use your phone to do the transaction. You can see some of the transaction I have done with the virtual card also. But if you are getting the physical card, you can have two options. You can get the physical card like this, and also you can add this physical card to your wallet, and you can use it from your phone also. So there is two benefits of the physical card. And one more thing is that you can withdraw your USDT or any cryptocurrency through the ATM, and the daily transaction limit or withdrawal limit is almost $100K, which is huge, and you can utilize this if you are having good amount of money in crypto, and if you don't want to be involved in the P2P scam or involved in any kind of scams happening up because of the P2P. So you can see the prices here. $10 for the virtual card, for the physical card is $100. As I said, if you use the referral link, you can get it for $75 also. So once you get this, you can use it for all kind of transaction happening up in your day-to-day life. If you want to buy food from the McDonald's, if you want to travel, if you want to pay to the hotels, if you want to fly, everything is possible, and you are having complete freedom to do this. So to buy the card, just click on new button. You can see the virtual card I'll be showing. Just press on apply card. Once you press on apply card, so you can buy this from the cryptocurrency itself. Just click on pay, and you should be having $10 in the balance. So you can pay using cryptocurrency itself. Just click on pay here, and before that you should be depositing 10 USDT into your application of Redot Pay. I just told you how exactly you can deposit. It will be deducted from that automatically, and your payment will be done successfully, similar to the physical card. As you can see, for the physical card you have the option of ATM withdrawal. For the virtual card you don't have that, but you can use it on Apple Pay and also on Google Pay for all of your transaction. And as I said at the beginning, I'll be giving up free cards for my subscribers. How to join the giveaway, all the information will be in the description. Check on the description and you will be able to join the giveaway and get this Redot Pay card for absolutely free, where you can utilize it however you want. So this is the first video regarding Redot Pay. I'll be coming up with more videos on how you can benefit from the taxation. Also, I'll be telling you that particular trick. So if you're having that, you can also benefit from the taxation. Everything will be told in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also join our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.